Hi guys, so this hair comes from Alipearl Hair Company. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. You do get a wig cap, you get a little edge brush, an elastic band, and also the little edge wrap thing that's very popular now. You get the wig and you also get a little bag, little carrying case bag. So I freaking love those baggies for storage. So this is what the little edge wrap comes looks like, and this is also little instructions on how to take care of your wig, which is good as well. All right. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It is very long. As you can see, it does come with combs in the unit. It does come with an adjustable cap. This is a 6x6 closure. Okay, so this is not a frontal or anything. I'm showing you guys how deep that parting is, which I absolutely love. And like I said, this hair is super long. All right, so I am 5'7" and it falls super long on me. So I'm just going in and cutting the lace off. I am going to be bleaching these knots and also adding makeup to the lace to make everything look a lot more natural. Okay, so there's that makeup and the knots are already bleached at this point. So I'm going in and I'm plucking this unit, just doing a little bit of plucking. This is normally how I do my closures and my frontals actually. So after I pluck, I'm going to be going in and creating some baby hairs. So this is a very easy way to create baby hairs, guys, but you got to make sure you pluck first. Okay, you have to thin out that hairline first and then you can go in and do this method. So I just section off a little piece. I don't like super thick baby hairs, so I section it off, I cut them, and I go in with some mousse. I find that mousse just gives you that soft baby hair look instead of that super hard look. So I'm going in with mousse and just shaping the baby hairs how I like them. You may have to play with them a little bit to get them to your liking. Okay, so guys, that is pretty much it. Stay tuned for the review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have already seen me pretty much unbox this wig and style this wig. Y'all, I'm loving it. I just love it. Now this hair does come from a company by the name of Alipearl. This is not my first time reviewing for Alipearl, but y'all, I always have a good experience with their hair. Like, you guys could go back, ooh, probably like a year or two ago and look at my Alipearl videos, and I've just always had the best experience. This hair right here though is bomb. Okay, I don't know what I was doing with my hands, but it is bomb. So this hair is 24 inches long. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's super long. It comes to the tip of my butt. Okay, so it's 24 inches long, 180% density, and the let's see, 24 inches. Oh, and it is a 6x6 closure. Okay, closure. All right, so I'm really feeling it, y'all. I like frontals, but I am not even gonna lie, I've kind of strayed away from frontals a little bit. I mean, I still like them. They just sometimes they just too much. I think y'all can get what I'm saying. You know, they just too much. I mean, that's all I'm gonna say. Then with the ear tabs, it seems like as soon as you lay them, they coming up. It's just too much. This is just the way I'm gonna sum it up. But with this closure, I just feel like things are just easier. I can just throw it on. I already like regular closures, and I normally wear those type of wigs to work, and I save like my frontal wigs if I'm going out or something like that, just like a special occasion. That's what they're supposed to be worn for anyway. But like this wig, I literally can just grab it and go. Now I did put gel on this wig just because, like, when I would make my normal closure wigs, and this wig already came made, but when I would make my normal closure wigs, I would make them like to fit my head, so once I put it on, if it would fit snug enough and I wouldn't have to put any adhesive on it. But this wig, however, it does fit good, but since the closure is wider, it makes it a little bit more difficult for me to just lay it on my head and go. So I did adjust the not elastic band, but the cap, because the cap comes adjustable. So I adjusted the cap, and I did kind of put the combs in place, and it held it pretty well. But like I said, I still wanted like a little bit extra security in the front, and I'm loving it. I don't have to worry about no ear tabs coming up. So this is what the side looks like, and the sides still look really good. And honestly, most of the time when I'm wearing a frontal, I do not lay my ear tabs down or whatever. Like, I just don't, because a lot of times I wear my hair like this, just straight down, and you're not seeing my ear tabs anyways. All right, but yes, this hair is bomb. I did bleach the knots. It didn't come with pre-bleached knots or all of that, so I did bleach the knots. This hair is freshly washed, so this is not just like straight out of the box. This hair has been freshly washed and air dried. Okay, freshly washed and air dried. So I have been wearing it for a couple of days. So far, like I said, I am loving it. One thing about this hair though, I can say after I washed it, it was kind of dry, you know, but I think, I don't know, it could have been the shampoo and conditioner I used. I'm not sure why it was kind of dry, but I did go in with some of this argan oil. I will leave a link to it down below. It's called the One and Only Argan Oil, and this stuff right here really helped to restore moisture in the hair, because when I first got it, everything was great. Okay, it was great, it was silky, it was smooth, but I don't know, for some reason after I washed it, it just, I don't know, it just dried up, and I was like, okay, what is going on with this? I didn't know if I was gonna have to decondition it or whatnot, but it was just an easy fix. All I needed was a little oil, a little serum in there, and boom, we're good to go. Let me show you guys what the wig looks like with all the hair to the front. This is 180% density. Okay, so this wig is pretty full. It's not like all stringy thin. So this is what it looks like. So that's full. Like, it's like a natural density without it being heavy, because this hair is very lightweight. Like, this wig is very lightweight without it being heavy and looking all crazy. I would say that this is the perfect density. All right, I think I covered all bases. A lot of you guys have been asking me, you know, how do you feel about the closures that are coming out, which they kind of been out, but they're just now becoming kind of like mainstream or whatever. People are like, how do you feel about it? What do you think about it? I honestly think that it is a great idea. I do see that they're expanding the closures. Some companies are expanding the closures more and more and more. I don't really know about expanding it past like 6x6 or whatever, because of the simple fact, at that point you might as well just get a closure, okay? Because the 6x6 is already, I feel, perfect. If you take it any further, I guess it'll be kind of like this without ear tabs, but I just don't know about that or whatever. I'm really feeling this one. Like I said, if something longer comes out, I will try and keep you guys updated and see kind of how I like it and how I'm kind of working with it. But I just, like I said, I don't know about that. Okay, and if you follow my Instagram, we had a whole conversation about the longer closures and if they keep on going, you know, bigger and bigger and bigger with them, you know. Oh, one thing that I like to add before I actually log off this video is this parting space. So as you guys can see, this parting space is super long, like, and I freaking love that. This can be parted and styled anywhere. You can put braids in it. You can do whatever you want to do, literally whatever. And I love the versatility of this thing, and I feel like, I'm talking about this thing, child, I'm just feeling myself. I'm sorry, excuse me, but I just feel like, these closures are really gonna have a comeback and they're gonna take over. I feel it in my spirit. Not my spirit, my spirit. You feel me? But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let me know what you guys think about these 6x6 frontals. What do you think about the 6x6? I've seen 6x6, 7x7s. I've even seen 8x8s. Okay, so let me know how you guys feel. Do you guys like them better than frontals? Will you just stick to the frontal? You ain't really messing with no closure? Or like, what? Does this make you want to wear a wig? Did frontals scare you? Just let me know the spiel down below. You guys already know that we will discuss. Now, links and everything will be down below, also including the direct link to the wig that I am wearing. Remember, guys, this is 24 inches, 180% density, and it is a 8x8, Jesus Christ, it's a 6x6 closure wig. Okay, so like I said, all that will be down below, and yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you on my next one.